Willow is one of the most useful plants on the entire planet, and we find it throughout the temperate regions of the world. It's so versatile, it's so easy to propagate, and it's really a plant that could help us to repair many ecosystems, to be more productive, more sustainable, more resilient wherever we are. Kara Huntermoon has spent countless hours creating a repository of useful willow species. I think you're really going to enjoy seeing what Kara Huntermoon is doing in the world of willow.
Willows are an amazing plant to relate to. Aside from the gorgeous baskets we can make from their stems, you can use them for ecological restoration purposes, including stream bank stabilization. They also can be used to make beautiful living fences that are part of the harvest in your garden, not just a boundary.
Everyone who walks into my garden, the first thing they really look at is the willow fences. They go, wow, what's that? Is that alive?
They're really gorgeous. Why would you put in a metal fence when you can put in a living fence?
As soon as you put in a metal fence, it starts to degrade and it gets worse over time. But when you plant a living willow fence, it gets stronger over time. So you end up with something that becomes more functional as it ages. And not only that, but we're stacking functions. So you've got a fence, you've got basket willow material that you cut off your fence when you're maintaining it, you've got habitat